little brother, Andrew.
And I'm your older brother, Joshua. And this is Can It Quesadilla. This is a channel where we make different quesadillas every video and see if the ingredients can or can't quesadilla.
This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. We're going to take suggestions from our teacher all week. Andrew, what we have today is a pretzel, Hershey syrup, banana quesadilla.
Tequila?
No, not today, Andrew. We have a Del Monte banana this time.
Even better! Del Monte!
Okay, this quesadilla was suggested by my teacher, Miss Walther. Thanks, Miss Walther. This quesadilla, Andrew, seems like it's gonna be really good. This is like a full-on dessert quesadilla. You would put this in ice cream, a smoothie. You would put it in pie. I don't know why you'd put it in pie, but I would.
Yeah, I would. We technically are making a pie. This is technically like the bread, I guess, the tortillas.
I guess so. Andrew, we forgot the cheese.
Oh no.
Oh, okay. What we have today is Mexican cheese.
Yes, Mexican. Doesn't make sense with any of this, but it works with the tortillas because they're Mexican.
Mexican tortillas. Let's cook.
So first we're gonna preheat the skillet, and as usual, I'm gonna add butter to make the quesadilla more crispy and better tasting. Okay, I couldn't get it off the stick. Okay, now we're gonna slide it to the middle.
Grab the tortilla, grab the butter. We're gonna spread it around the skillet and on the tortilla so that, as Andrew said, family secret, get it nice and crispy and make it better tasting. That should be good. Take it away with our cheese that we're
Now we're gonna add some cheese. Well, Mexican cheese.
Same, it's still cheesy. It's still cheese.
Cheese.
It's cheese. Put the cheese on there. Put the cheese on there. That's good. Okay, now we put the banana.
No, it's not.
Fine. I just want to put banana on there. Banana look good. Holy crap, Andrew. Ooh, that's a lot of cheese.
What's the point?
Now we're gonna put bananas on. These mushy, disgusting feeling bananas. Boom. Probably shouldn't put all of them on there because it's like a lot of bananas. I think that'll be good. Okay, I don't know how many pretzels to put on, so
Yeah.
okay.
Now we're gonna add some Hershey syrup, which we've met before in some past videos.
Mr. Hershey's. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Grab Mr. Spatula. We're grabbing Mr. Spatula, by the way. I don't know why it's a Mr.
You named it?
Sure.
Ooh,
Oh, that chocolate syrup is sizzling out. Let's put it in the middle and let's squeeze it. I'm gonna check it. I don't know how to check this. Yep, I think that's good to flip. Let's flip it long ways so that we don't mess up like I literally always do.
No.
Actually, I don't always mess up, but
You
we need
messed
to
up
flip
once.
it long ways. Yeah, go watch our 9th video. That one was a disaster. Oh, there goes some pretzels. Flip. Ooh, that chocolate kind of crusted along the edge right there. Looks really good. So some little things about Miss Walther. She's my ELA teacher. I love her class. I love that it's so quiet because it makes it so easy to read. Sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it's not. She has some really fun games. One of my most memorable, one of my most favorite things to do in her class is she has this game where we go through her book and we look at some words. And she'll say, for example, one was a romantic. It was like a romantic part, and I said, I looked through my book and I found ew, so I said ew, and the whole class laughed. It's really fun. I love her, she's so awesome. This quesadilla was a good idea to have us do, thanks Miss Walther. Let's hope this will be really good. Okay, let's check it. It's not been super long, but you know, usually the other side cooks really fast. Oh, actually, I think that's done. All right, let's somehow not get this to drip literally everywhere, because this is filled with chocolate. Stuck on spatula. Time to review. Hey guys, here with the review with our dad. We're gonna cut this crazy looking quesadilla. It's got chocolate everywhere.
It smells amazing. What is it? What do we
It's
have here exactly?
Andrew, you wanna?
It's bananas, pretzels, and chocolate syrup.
Oh man, chocolate and pretzels are like my all-time favorite thing. I used to eat those chocolate-covered pretzels all the time before I got to be an old man and have to slow down because my metabolism is no good. All right, I think I gave Joshua the biggest one last time. I don't remember. It was so long ago. So which one do you want?
I'll take.
Because I honestly don't care. I'll take a big or little because this actually smells really good. Oh, well, I don't want to lick my fingers because I don't want to get an early taste. All right, so this was from who?
Miss Walther.
Yes, Teacher Appreciation Week. I remember now. Wow, Andrew, that look. Maybe grab it from back here. There you go. Just lean over your plate so you don't get it all over yourself. All right.
I put too many pretzels in
All
this.
right, let's get it so that Andrew cannot be holding it. All right, whenever you're ready.
No.
I can.
Okay.
In case it did.
Obviously, it's delicious, but the pretzels are all soggy. I don't know about that. Not a huge fan of the soggy pretzels. But I love the chocolate, so it can quesadilla.
Let me just try it. Go try it.
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
It's 3 cans, and that means try it.
This reminds me of a crepe.
And you know, the cheese isn't so bad.
Yeah. I can't really even taste it.
I think we should start using ricotta in some of the sweeter ones, but you
Yeah.
can't even really taste the cheese in this. Well, 3 cans. That was super easy, super quick.
Yep, quick and easy.
Mm-hmm. So what you got?
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Comment suggestions down below, please. And we'll see you next time on Can It Quesadilla. Bye.
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 Make sure to appreciate your teachers.
Oh yeah, appreciate them.